Would you like to try these yummy twists? They're corn in a little fun twisty form.
Cool!
Would you like to taste some?
Yeah,
We're trying to be like Costco. If you take one and just let it melt. Let it melt. Feel it melt in your mouth? And on the back, there's this cool recipe. Oh my gosh! It's for caramel corn. Because it's like a substitute for corn. So you can make like corn soup. I made corn soup one day, at least. I'm telling you. It was good. And look how fun and twisty they are. Do you see how fun and twisty they are? Let's just show the camera how fun and twisty they are. Look, twist it up and stuff. And see, everyone just wants them. So, what do you think about our product? I think it's pretty good. Would you buy it? Yes, I would! You're the first customer who said that. Okay.